Hey, my name's Scott. I'm a general manager here at Classic Fun Center, and we have skating, bouncing, jungle gym, blast zone, laser tag, and an arcade of 100 video games. Out of all the companies we looked at, Tigapo seemed to be the most innovative, the most modern. Their kiosk looks like Steve Jobs designed it. A teenager can pick up, have no problems learning how to use it. Parents love it, not having to carry around Dixie cups filled with tokens or a big heap of tickets. The kids really like the ease of use. They're not confused whether to tap or swipe, and they really like seeing the big screen with the tickets count out. And I think our regulars, the app is huge for them, where they can load more with the top-up feature. They spend more on the app. Their repeat business is more than others. Coming from tokens and tickets to a card system, we can now track that revenue. The reports are easy to read. We can see what games are doing well, what games aren't. We can track our employees, who's adding those credits and tickets. The biggest benefit we've seen is from the amount that customers are spending. We've seen a 50% increase. Now they're spending more in those big money ads on the app and at our kiosks. I wish we would have done it years ago. Our maintenance has decreased significantly. We hardly have to dedicate any maintenance to our video games now. Tigapo really has streamlined our business from the time somebody checks in at the front window to the time they leave, where it is a set it and forget it system.